Welcome. Today, we're diving into a recent update on LinkedIn that allows you to show your additional name to your networks. This feature is particularly useful for those who want to include a former name, maiden name, or even a nickname on their profile. Let's walk through the steps to make this happen on your PC. First, open your web browser and navigate to linkedin.com. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Me icon located at the top right corner of the screen. This is where you can access your profile settings. After clicking on the Me icon, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Settings and Privacy. This section is crucial as it contains all the options for managing your profile and privacy settings. Next, you'll want to head over to Account Preferences. Here, you can adjust various settings related to your LinkedIn account. Look for the section labeled Profile Information, which will guide you to the specific details of your profile. Under Profile Information, find and click on Name, Location, and Industry. This section allows you to edit how your name appears on your profile, including adding an additional name. Now, focus on the Additional Name section. Click on it and you'll see an option labeled Choose Visibility. This is where you can decide who gets to see your additional name. You have several options. It can be visible only to you, to your connections, or even to all LinkedIn members. To share your additional name with a wider audience, select your networks. Once you've made your choice, don't forget to click Save at the bottom of the page. This step is essential to ensure that all your changes are applied. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully updated your LinkedIn profile to display your additional name to your networks. This feature not only enhances your professional identity, but also helps others connect with you more personally. Thank you for joining me today. Make sure to check back for more tips and updates on how to optimize your LinkedIn experience.